Today we'll solve some more problems based on this substitution method. See one question. If I get a question here, x plus 3 by 2, x plus 3 by 2 minus y plus 2 by 7 equals to 1, then x plus 2 by 11 x plus 2 by 11 plus y plus 3 by 11 equals to 1. Okay, the best method is remove the denominator. So LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. So multiply 14 here, 14 here, 14 here. So you get 40 into 2 terms always keep in the bracket, minus 14 into y plus 2 by 7. Remember this minus is for both because it is written here, equals to 14 into 11. 14 into 1. So 14x plus 14, so we will cancel here 7. 7x plus 21, here cancel 2. Minus 2y. Minus 2y minus plus minus 4 equals to 14. Take this like term to that side. 7x minus 2y 14, 21 minus 4 is 17, so plus 17 will go that side, minus 17. So 7x minus 2y equals to minus 3. We got the first equation. Similarly we will solve this. LCM is 11, multiply 11 to all the terms, so you will get 11 into x plus 2 by 11 plus 11 into y plus 3 by 11 equals to 1 into 11. So what did you get? So 11 cancelled. You are getting x plus 2 plus y plus 3 equals to 11. So x plus y equals to 2 will go here, 11 minus 2. So implies y x plus y equals to 9, x equals to 9 minus y. Let's keep this one. This x, because you got it from here, now you put in the first equation. So putting the value of x, putting the value of x in 7x minus 2y equals to minus 3. Put here, you will get 7 into 9 minus y minus 2y equals to minus 3. 63 minus 7y minus 2y equals to minus 3. So what did you get? 63 minus 9y equals to minus 3. Okay. So minus 9y equals to minus 3 minus 64. So y equals to minus 67 by minus 9. Okay, now Now put the value of y in this. X equals to 9 minus y. So that is 9 minus 67 by 9. LCM 9 here. 9 9 is 81 minus 67. So 14 by 9. Okay, this is one pattern of question. See, other pattern is, I gave you one more time. So this type of equation you see again. Here is 4 by x plus 4 by x plus 3y equals to 14. 3 by x plus 3 by x minus 4y equals to minus 4y equals to 23. Okay, now look at here. This is something different. X by 2. X by 2 means constant in the denominator, but 2 by x variable in the denominator. So these two are different here. So look at here, 1 upon x, here 1 upon x, x in the denominator. So what we'll do is, we'll write, let 1 upon x equals to u. So 1 by x को u लेना है. So 1 by x u means this will be 4u plus 3y equals to 14. This will be what? 3u minus 4y equals to 23. This is first, this is your second. So find out here. 4u plus 3y is 14. 4u equals to 14 minus 3y. u equals to 14 minus 3y by 4. So we got it from here. Put in the second equation. Putting the value of u. Putting the value of u in 3u minus 4y equals to 23. Let's put the value of u here. 3 times 14 minus 3y by 4 minus 4y equals to 23. Go to solve it. So LCM is 4. 3 into 14 minus 3y minus 4 for the 16y equals to 23. 42 minus 9y minus 16y equals to, this 4 will go here, 23 into 4. Okay, then 42 9y 16y minus 24y, so 25y. 25y equals to 92. This implies minus 25y equals to 92. This will come here, minus 42. This implies minus 25y equals to 50. Y equals to 50 by minus 25. Cancel here 2. So, what did you get? Y equals to minus 2. Okay, now put the value of y in this. Now u equals to 14 minus 3y by 4 implies 4u equals to 14 minus 3 into minus 2 by 4. This value we are putting here. So what did you get? U equals to 14 plus 6 by 4. U equals to 20 by 4. 4 5 0. U equals to 5. You got U, you have got already Y. But we don't need U because you have done a substitution here. What substitution you have made here? Now 1 by x equals to U, you get value. So 1 by x equals to U means 5. So 5 means 5 by 1, do ulta, x equals to, this will be ulta means 1 by 5. This is second pattern. One more pattern you see. Third pattern again. Third pattern is 2 by x plus 2 by 3y. 2 by x plus 2 by 3y equals to 1 upon 6. Then what did you get? 3 by x plus 2 by y equals to 0. 3 upon x plus 2 by y equals to 0. Okay. So again look at here. 1 upon x, 1 upon y. So we'll take 1 upon x as u. Put 1 upon x equals to u. So when the denominator is variable, you have to substitute like this. Then 1 upon y equals to v. Look here, 1 upon x is u into 2, means 2u plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3, but 1 by y is v. So v you have to write in the numerator, not here. Then equals to 1 upon 6. Take the LCM, because now constant. Take the LCM, multiply here. You will get 6 into 2u, 6 into 2v by 3, 6 into 1 upon 6. 6 cancel, this is 2. This is 12u, 4v equals to 1. So you got here first equation. Back to second again. What is the second one? 3 by x, 2 by y equals to 0. So 1 upon x, 1 upon x is how much? Implies 1 by x is 0. So 3u plus 2v equals to 0. Let's take this one to this side. 3u equals to 0 minus 2v. Implies u equals to minus 2v by 3. Okay, we got this. Putting the value of u. Putting the value of u. Where are you going to put? If you got it from second, this is your second equation. If you got u from second, put in the first. Or you got u from first, then put in the second. You can either of the way. So I found u from first, second. So now this u I will put in first. That is 12u, 4v equals to what? 12 minus 2v by 3 plus 4v equals to what? 3 4s are minus 8v plus 4v equals to 1. So how much you will get? minus 8b plus 4b is minus 4b equals to 1. b is 1 by minus 4. Okay, so therefore u equals to minus 2b by 3, minus 2b by 3, minus 2 into b is what? Minus 1 by 4 divided by 3. So you can cancel here 2. So u equals to minus minus plus 1 by, this 2 will come down, this 2 will come down, 6. So v is this, u is this, but we need x, y, not u, v. So back to your substitution, what you have done? You have done 1 by x equals to u. So 1 by x equals to 1 by 6 implies x equals to ulta 6. Okay. Then 1 by v, 1 by y equals to v. 1 by y equals to minus 1 by 4. So ulta means y equals to minus 4. So this is the way you have to solve. Try to solve some more questions. I'll take some word problems based on this. That will clear your concept how to use it. Okay, look. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 2. Some word problems based on this. Sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 12. If the denominator is increased by 3, if the denominator is increased by 3, then what you get? The fraction becomes 1 upon 2. The fraction becomes 1 upon 2. So then what you have to do is find the fraction. Okay, fraction has numerator and denominator. So how to start? Let the fraction be x upon y. Let the fraction be x upon y. Now this is numerator, this is denominator. Sum of numerator and denominator of the fraction is 12. Sum means x plus y equals to 12. This implies x plus y equals to 12. This is the first equation. Now, if the denominator is increased by 3, means this is increased by 3. So x by y will become y plus 3 equals to 1 by 2. So how to simplify? I'll do a cross multiplication. Implies 2x equals to 1 into y plus 3. Implies x equals to y plus 3 by 2. I got it from where? This is your second equation. I got the x from second and put it in the first. Putting the value of the value of x, where are you going to put? X in x plus y equals to 12. So in place of x you write this y plus 3 by 2 plus y equals to 12. Take LCM. What do you get? 2 is LCM. Then y plus 3, this 2 will be multiplied here, that is plus 2y equals to 12. Implies 3y, y plus 2y, 3y plus 3 by 2 equals to 12. Now cross multiplication. 3y plus 3 equals to 2 12 24. Now like term one side. So 3y equals to 24 minus 3. 3y equals to 21, y equals to 21 by 3. 7. Now you find x. What was x? X is y plus 3 by 2. Means 7 plus 3 by 2. X equals to 10 by 2 means 5. You got x, you got y. What is your question? Find the fraction. You will find out fraction here. Therefore, the fraction is equals to x upon y. So x means 5 by 7. This is one question. Okay, let's see another one. Sum of the one important question, look at here. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Sum of the digits in a 2-digit number is 12. Then the number obtained by interchanging the 2 digits, the number obtained by interchanging the 2 digits exceeds the given number by 18. Exceeds the given number by 18. Find the number. Find the number. Okay, look. When you talk about 2 digits number, you have 2 places. One is the units place, other one is tens place. Just like 25. 5 comes in the units place, 2 comes in the tens place. Suppose I put x here, this is y. Units place I have taken x, tens place I have taken y. So look at here. When you write 25, you write 2 into 10 plus 5. 2 into 10 plus 5 means in the tens place digit you multiply 10, so that it becomes 25. So what will be the number here? So number will be any digit in the tens place you will multiply by 10 means 10y plus 5 means units place number. This is your number. But our question is sum of the digits in a 2-digit number. So this is the digit here. This is not the number. That means y plus x equals to 12. Y plus x equals to 12. First equation you got. Now the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Number obtained by interchanging the digits. So what will be that? Look at again. That means interchanging the digits means units tens place. In the units place it was x, tens place it was y. Now they will change. Means here will be y, here will be x. Interchange the place. But what is the number? Number means any digit in the tens place you have to multiply 10, that will be 10x. Just like 25, 2 into 10, so 10 into x plus units digit means plus y. So our question is the number obtained by interchanging the digits. Number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the original number by how much? 18. Means original was 10y plus x. This is bigger than this one by 18. So when you want to make it equal, you have to add 18 here. Okay. Now you have to simplify. 10x minus x equals to 10y minus y plus 18. I have taken x this side. So 9x equals to 9y plus 18. Okay. Then what are you getting? X equals to, or 9x equals to, here 9 common, y plus 2. Then x equals to y plus 2 by 9. Here is also 9, 9 and cancel. So x is equal to y plus 2. So now same thing again, putting the value of x in other equation. Putting the value of x in what? X plus y equals to 12. Because you got it from second equation, this is your second equation. Now this x will put in first equation. So how much you are going to get? That will be y plus 2 plus y equals to 12. Because x is y plus 2. 2y plus 2 equals to 12. This 2 will go here. 2y equals to 12 minus 2. Then what will you get? 2y equals to 10. Y equals to 10 by 2, that is 5. So y you got 5. Now what is x? X was y plus 2. Therefore x equals to 5 plus 2, that is 7. But your question is find the number. But find out the number here. So number will be, what is your original number? Okay, number equals to 10y plus x. That means 10 into y का वैल्यू 5 plus 7, 50 plus 7, which is 57. Now you can take 5 plus 7 is 12. Sum of the digits is 12. So I'll give some more questions in the next class. But first you practice these questions.